Welcome to CJY Money Entertainment, and I got a box. And if you are a subscriber to my channel, then you know when I get a box, I get so happy because there's something always special inside, and I get to use my knife. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Cut like butter. Okay. Bye-bye knife. All right, let's see what's inside. Here. And give it this. Okay. This is a LED garage light. And I know you've probably seen them in many places, and it's going around now, and so it's like the newest thing out. What it does is it helps your garage have the most bright light. So I decided to get ahead and purchase one and see how bright it makes it. It comes with the base. Attach your electrical wires to your positive and your negative. Instead of putting a regular bulb in, this is what you hook it to. And these are side panels, and they open up on different angles. This is a 5060HZ one, and it opens up like this. Comes off, and this screws into your socket that you already have, and then that will screw into here. And then this will be your ceiling light. Now, with me, I already have a socket, so I don't need this adapter, but it's good that it came with it. I could just screw this into my ceiling. And so this is what I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you how it looks without one of these. This is with a regular bulb before I install the garage fan light. And this is after I've installed it. And the light is all the way over here on the other side. And look how bright the garage is now. Throw your likes up. If you like this video, slap that subscribe button because you want to see more.